How to use OBS to screen record your screen and audio. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can easily record your screen with the audio from using OBS Studio. So first thing first, make sure you have downloaded this OBS Studio from any of the browser, and once you do that, you can simply open your OBS Studio like this, and as you can see, display capture mode is on. What it does is it basically enables your display, and once you are here, you can simply click on settings to start the hotkeys button if you like quick recording option. So as you can see, in my case I have turned on recording with the F12, and you can also use pause button like this, and you can also add all different other button for different specific purposes, so you can do that accordingly. So when I click enter the P button, the video will be paused. So, and similarly when I click the F12 button, the video will either record or stop recording as it is doing right now. So you might be use it to read or explain different things, or probably enable your gameplay options or whatever for your specific niche. So hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.